Lesson 4, Unit 3, Managerial Skills. Project managers need skills to help them navigate and manage a complex project environment. Project managers are faced with a significant number of challenges and work in difficult environments, both internal and external. They need specific skills to plan, organize, direct, and control the project. Here are some of the critical skills that project managers need: analytical skills, problem-solving skills, negotiating skills, and conceptual skills. What are analytical skills? Analytical skills are needed to solve complex problems and make rational decisions that are based on available information. It includes the ability to apply logical thinking, to gather and analyze information, design and test solutions to problems, and formulate action plans. It will help make sense of the information, interpret monitoring reports, and draw conclusions to make better decisions. As a project manager, you will spend a large portion of your time negotiating for resources. Negotiating skills are needed to negotiate with vendors who provide goods and services needed by the project. Your goal is to get the best value for the money. Negotiate with the stakeholders. They are people who have a stake in the project and can influence it negatively or positively. You need to negotiate their support and contributions to the project. In some cases, negotiations include trade-offs. When the stakeholders request changes or modifications to the project and resources, and you need these skills to find a win-win solution that is acceptable to both parties. All projects face problems. The skills you have to manage them will define the success of the project. Problem-solving skills include the ability to have a good understanding of the problems. Problems must be understood before the team jumps to find solutions. The ability to analyze the problem and find the root cause in many cases. The original problem is a symptom of a larger problem. You will also need the skills to develop a solution. It means that you are able to develop a plan and implement solutions and monitor to see if that solution is creating the results you expected. Conceptual skills will help you have a complete view of the project. You will need to have a holistic view of all the components and elements that make the project. You need to understand complex processes, understand how all the elements of the project make a whole, and how they all relate and depend on one another and its relationship with the project's environment. This is an ability to anticipate how a change in one part of the project will affect the entire project. Managerial skills help the project manager understand complex data, manage negotiations, solve problems, and understand the complexity of the project environment.